Welcome. Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Exclusive.
Yeah, good day, my people. It is not longer news that Oni of Ife, said to take another wife after hours and after hours of the marriage to Miriam Anako. As you can see, it says Oni of Ife said to take another wife hours after marriage to Miriam Anako. Now, wow. Well, new reports claim that the Óóni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi Odojatu, has concluded plans to take another bride as a second wife barely 24 hours after taking in a new bride, Miriam Anako. Ekemi Filani recalls that the Óóni officially welcomed his new wife, that is Miriam Anako, into the palace on Wednesday, September 17th, after the completion of their marital rites. And videos from the function went viral on social media. It has now been gathered that a team of chiefs from the palace in Ile-Ife, Osun State, on Wednesday, they visited the family of another bride-to-be, Dr. Elizabeth Opeoluwa Akinmuda, in the Magodo area of Lagos. According to leadership, Miss Akinmuda is a Scotland-based electronic data processor and a native of Ondo City in Ondo State. According to the report, sources close to the palace disclosed that Miss Akinmuda is a Scotland-based electronic data processor and a native of Ondo in Ondo State. It should be recalled that before now, the monarch had at different times parted ways with two wives, Olori Zainab and Olori Ñàòmì, respectively. Meanwhile, we have found that the new queen, Miriam Manako, has been dating Oba Ogunwusi before he met Ñàòmì in 2018. Well, they have been dating for over 7 years, and everyone always wondered why they weren't married all this while. But Miriam is very gentle, not the boisterous type, and a very submissive lady. Naturally, she wouldn't argue with any of her friends and not to talk of her husband. One of Miriam's friend spilled on his bride. Miriam is in her 30s. She is a top management executive, administrative manager in Nest Oil Limited, Nigeria's largest indigenous engineering procurement, construction and commissioning, which is EPCC, company in the oil and gas sector. Miriam is from the prominent Anako family of Kogi State. Her mother, a retired police boss, is an active politician. Miriam lost her dad at a young age and was brought up in the home of the former IGP Muhammad Diko Abubakar. Abubakar, who reigned as the boss of the Nigerian police between 2012 to 2014. MD Abubakar, as he is known, is the in-law of Africa's wealthiest man, Alhaji Aliko Dangote. Okay, Alhaji Aliko Dangote, and then every other person who is involved or who is connected to whatever. I don't know, but as it is, on of Ife, as giving another shock to everyone. All that glitters are not gold. Money can't really buy happiness, and that is what comment from Labiodun or thereabout. Yes, you this over not so woman you sabi small time they go say you don't marry ghost. Okay, people are saying what they know. If one is privileged to be associated with royalty, you will agree that they do not marry one wife. Tradition permits them to marry many wives into the palace, so only is not any different. Yes, that is what it is. Yeah, because king, are entitled to so many wives, and how it does happen, and how does that help the welfare of his subject. But notwithstanding, yes, he is entitled to do many wives. If he likes, marry whoever he feels he wants to marry, and that is all. That's all good. And so, I recommend you do some research and reading on how African kings rule and live. It should help. Well, I don't know who that person is advising from his or her, let me say, speech or comments. There's so many comments have been reacting, and the people are, worried. I don't know why they are worried. I don't know why everyone would want to say or hear their opinion. That is what it is. If you say, Óóni of Ife married 10 wives, it's nobody's business as it is. If you say, Óóni of Ife married 100 wives, it is no one's business as it is. But what we know or what we need is, the welfare of the people is willing. The king should be aware of women. Women can make or mar a person's life. Well, this is unadvisable as a king, or rather as a royal personality. Before absolute judgment can come, from a king, definitely they would have looked inwardly. Yeah. Well, at least there will always be a substitute. Maybe the wife are the ones, excusing the man, and the man wanted, more wives or thereabout. I don't know, but what it is that any royalty, I believe, they marry more than one wife, and they have extraordinary report or extraordinary judgment on citizens, or rather on people. And that is what we think of. That's what I believe. Well, it doesn't think about anything except women and make it 100. Women never finish. Oh. Some good they go, some good they come. I doubt if they will last. Only of Ife is in his age, let him. Is in his world, let him. He's in his, his own entity. Yeah, this only has some complex. Me think. Well, must all the women be Oyibo colored? What time has he for the welfare of his people? What time does he have? That's what it is. Please tell me to pause now. Abba. I guess only can't sleep outside, so he has only to marry his crush. Wow. Hey, Johannes, it's like these hard and difficult times not teach your palace or not reach your palace. KBC, they come home. Well, lastly, someone says, I guess this other one that is from India and based in Lagos is also yellow ponies with yellow woman. Well, I remember reading somewhere where a spiritualist advised him against yellow women. The second advice was to get married to two women at the same time. Failure to do this would result to failures in his marriage. The pink has now taken 2 wives, or the king has now taken 2 wives at the same time, but he finds it difficult to blend with dark skinned women. Wishing him best of luck. Well, if you're talking about dark skinned women, I don't get the narrative, but I believe Óóni of Ife is entitled to whoever she feels he wants to marry or thereabout. Well, dark or fair, that is his choice. Everybody has their choices. Well, this is what I'm going to draw the curtain. I'd like to push in on the comment section and let's know your views. Thanks for listening, and God bless you.